Welcome. If you want to get animated wallpaper on your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap here on the search pool and type Magic Fluids. You can also take it from this quick list. We have to get this application from the Mad Scientist. There is the full name of the app, so let's install. Let's open, click allow, and here we get the preview of the wallpaper. As you can see, it's a little bit laggy, so we have to enter here and change the settings of the wallpaper. So follow every step, click accept, and right now just go for the animated, and we can change the paint quality for the medium, and also we can do the same. Okay, we can leave the simulation resolution, but we can change the glow and light shadow on the low. And right now it changed a little bit, but it's still laggy, so we can go for the low resolution here and here. And right now it's really smooth, so we can just leave it like that. Click right here, tap here, tap to set as a live wallpaper. Okay, and we have to change it one more time, so do the same steps, and right now we will be able to set it as a wallpaper. On the buff we can apply. As you can see, right now we got our new fluid wallpaper on Alcatel One 2019. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.